Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to log into Khan Academy into Miss Von Guy's account. And before you get started, you need to have your MIS online email address ready and also your password for that account. So once you have that, then you're going to open up your Google Classroom, and where it says Join Khan Academy, you're going to click onto this link, all right? And then it will take you to that page. And you should see something that says this, join your class 3V. If you did not go to that class, you did not click on the right link. You want to see join your class 3V. Now you are in the class, but you are only linked. So you have to create your account. So please first click on create new account. You only have to do this once. Once you've done this, then from then on you can log into your existing account. But for the first time, you're going to create the account. Then you're going to put your month that you were born. I'm just going to do any random date right now. The year. Okay, and then once that's done, you're going to click on continue with Google. And then this is where you're going to type in your MIS online education address, and then the next page will prompt you for your password, and then you will be in. All right, hope this helps.